Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to add a music bot to Discord. To start, log in at opendiscord.com and then click on another tab. Once you're in another tab, type in top.gg. This is a website that allows you to invite and search for music bots all over the internet. Once top.gg has loaded, go to the search bar and then type in green bot. Now once it's loaded, all you gotta do is look for green dash bot in the options below. Just keep scrolling down until you see him. There we go, that's green dash bot. Now click on him. After clicking, this will lead you to his homepage and then tap on invite. Alright, give me a second here. It's still loading. Now, click on invite once again. Once done, it will load up to the Discord window. Wait for a few seconds. And now, make sure you're an admin in the server you want to add him in. Click on continue, and then follow the settings on my screen, check everything, and click on authorize. Now don't forget to verify you're a human. Wait for it to finish verifying that it should all be good. Now when you go back to your Discord server and click on hashtag general, you can see Greenbot arriving in your server already. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.